How to make money selling on Amazon FBA? Well, there are 4 simple steps to doing this. First of all, you need to find a product that you want to sell on Amazon. And the second step is finding a supplier that you want and you can work with to produce your products. The third step is to ship your products over straight to Amazon's warehouse where they will pick, pack and deliver your product. And the fourth step is to make sure that you have a listing with pictures and a description ready so you can sell to your customers on Amazon FBA. That sounds simple enough, right? Well, let me show you a little bit more detail in the laptop. So first of all, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you need to look for when you're looking for your product. Then I'm going to go and show you how to calculate your profits. And then the big one, I'm going to show you how to actually multiply those profits and expand the business. Now, there are a couple of tools available to you when you're looking to do your product research. And these are the tools that I currently use. So the first one that I wanted to recommend is Helium 10. It's an insanely powerful product research tool and has a ton of other tools that come with it. The second product research tool that I wanted to recommend is Jungle Scout. Now, this is the tool that I've been using since I started selling on Amazon FBA, but I'm now slowly moving over to Helium 10. So you need to check out those tools. I have discounts available for both of those. I've put the links in the description for you. So once you've got your product research tool, you need to make sure that you're looking for products that are priced above $20 so that you know you're making a decent amount of profit for every single product that you sell. Now, when you're looking at the reviews, when you're doing your product research, you need to try and make sure that you're looking at products that are less than 50 reviews. That means this is a relatively new seller. If somebody's got 1,000 reviews, 500 reviews, it means that they've been on Amazon selling for a number of years and it will be really difficult for you to compete with. So try and keep your reviews when you're searching for your product less than 50. And then the third thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you add value to your product. So let's take, for example, that your product research has got you to plastic spoons and somebody's selling 50 plastic spoons. They've got less than 50 reviews and they're selling it for more than $20. Well, you need to differentiate your product and add value to the customer. And you could essentially add the spoon to a fork and a knife, put it into a package and sell it for more than $30, which would increase your profit margin. Okay, so let's say that you're selling your product for $30. And let's say you got in touch with suppliers in China and you were able to source the product. So you've bought your product for $3. So if we do simple math over here, we can see that the profit per unit is going to be $27. $27. If this is making sense so far, write star in the comment section below. So as we can see, the profit is $27, right? Wrong. There are so many other costs that you need to take into consideration, which I'm going to quickly show you now. And I'm also going to show you how to multiply your profits to make sure that you blow up your Amazon profits. So these are the other costs that are involved in selling on Amazon. So let's say you have your product and you're selling it for $30. We already know that we're now buying our product from China for $3. And let's take, for example, that our shipping for every single unit that we sell is $3 per unit. Now let's take into account all of the Amazon fees, which include the storage, the pick, pack and delivery of the product. So the Amazon FBA fees and the selling fees all together come together to $12. So if we were to take all of this off of the Amazon selling price, we'd get our profit. So if we did 30 minus 3 minus 3 minus 12, that would give us a $12 per unit profit margin. And that is a very, very decent profit margin. Now remember, that's for every single unit that you sell. But how many units are you looking to sell every single month? Now this is where you properly calculate how much money you're actually going to make every single month. Now it's highly likely with my product research method, tips, tricks, and everything, that the way I do it, I usually look to sell a minimum of 300 units every single month. Now if you calculate 300 times the profit per unit that we're looking at, we would get a total profit of $3,600 every single month. Now imagine this is selling every single month, 300 units every single month. And imagine it hit Christmas time or some sort of peak period during the year where the demand actually increases and there are more shoppers online. Let's say this doubled, and that's highly likely to happen during the peak periods during the Christmas time. This will automatically go straight up to $7,200 on one product that you're selling on Amazon. And now I'm going to show you exactly how to turn this into a six-figure income Amazon FBA business. So let's say we are selling 300 units every single month, and that this is $3,600 every single month. So we're already generating $3,600 from the first product. Now let's say we introduce a second product. So if you multiply this number by 2, we get $7,200 every single month. Now let's say we're finally building momentum and we're really growing our Amazon business, and we've now got 4 products in there. So we're now making $4,400 every single month, not on a peak period. That will instantly double during the peak period times. So let's see how much that actually adds up to over the year in profit alone. So we do 14,400 times 12, and that will give 172,800 profit every single year, just from selling 4 units that make $3,600 in profit every single month. Does all of this make sense? Write star in the comment section below. So how much does it actually cost to start a business like this, where you can start generating $3,600 every single month, to building a business that gives you $172,800 a year? Well, check out the next video that I have. I've put a link in the description for you, and I'll put it on this page. I will see you in the next video.